What if I told you there's one single tool that gives you access to virtually every premium AI model out there? Image generation, video generation, 3D modeling, upscaling, lip syncing, all of it completely free with no credit card required. No trials, no hidden paywalls, unlimited access. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set it up, how to use it, and how to get the absolute most out of it. We are talking tools like Flux, GPT, Image, Stable Diffusion, Runway, Kling AI, Sora 2, Magnific AI, Topaz Upscalers, models that individually cost anywhere from $20 to $200 a month, all accessible from one single platform. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to generate images, videos, and even 3D models step by step. Let's get into it. The tool is called weavy.ai. This is the main interface right here. Clean, node-based, and surprisingly powerful for something that's free. Now, weavy.ai gives you 3 ways to log in through Figma, Google, or Microsoft. In this video, we're going to use the Figma method, and I'll show you exactly why. Because this is the method that gives you unlimited free access. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is create a Figma account. And for this, we're going to use a temporary email. But here's the important part. You can't just use any random disposable email service. weavy.ai only accepts Gmail or Microsoft-based emails. So regular temp mail sites won't work here. The site we're going to use is called smailpro.com. This website lets you generate temporary Google and Microsoft email addresses, which is exactly what we need. So let me go ahead and create a temporary Microsoft Outlook email. And there we go. I've got a fresh temporary Outlook address ready. Now I'll head over to Figma and create an account using this email. I'll set a random password and Figma will send a verification code to that temporary inbox. Let me grab that code. Done. Email verified. Now, and this is key, you don't need to do anything else inside Figma. No projects, no setup, nothing. Just head straight back to weavy.ai, click login with Figma, authorize the connection, and you're in. And just like that, I'm fully logged into weavy.ai with complete access. Every single time your credits run out or you want a fresh session, you can simply repeat this process with a new temporary email. That's what makes this truly unlimited. So this is the main dashboard. The UI is clean and intuitive. To get started, you need to create a new file. Think of it like a new project or workspace. Let me create one right now. And here we are. This is the main workspace of weavy.ai. Now this is a node-based platform, which means you generate content by connecting different nodes together, kind of like how tools like Comfy UI or Unreal Engine's blueprint system work. You drag in nodes, connect inputs to outputs, adjust your settings, and hit run. It's visual, it's flexible, and once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly fast. They do also offer premium plans which are honestly quite reasonably priced if you end up loving the tool and want higher limits. But for now, let's focus on what you get for free, which is a lot. Let me show you just how much is packed into this platform. If I open the node library, you'll see basic utilities first, compositor, painter, crop tool, video concatenator, standard stuff. But now let's get into the good stuff. In image generation models, you get every Flux model, including Flux Pro, Flux Dev, and Flux Schnell. You get Reeve, Higgsfield Image, GPT Image 1.5, Google's Imagen 4, and Imagen 3, including Imagen 3. Fast, Recraft with all models, including the Creative Upscaler and Vectorizer, Mystic with all variants, Ideogram, Stable Diffusion, Luma Photon, NanoBrana 2 and NanoBrana Pro, which are fantastic. Dream with all models, including V5 and many more I'm probably forgetting. For image enhancement, you get Topaz Upscaler, which alone costs $200 for a lifetime license. Magnific AI Upscaler, which is one of the most expensive AI upscalers on the market and rarely available for free anywhere. Real ESR GAN Enhancer and Topaz Sharpener. You also get a full suite of video generation models which we'll explore shortly. 3D model generation with Meshi, SAM, Rodin, Hunyuan, Trellis, and more. For lip syncing, you have OmniHuman, Sync, 2 Pro, Kling AI, Avatar, and Pikaverse Lip Sync. There's video enhancement and smoothing, video to video transformation, and custom model nodes with Control LCM, Toon Crafter, Control Adapter, SDXL, and others. Honestly, the sheer volume of what's available here is kind of insane for a free tool. It would take multiple videos to cover everything. So today I'm going to focus on the three big ones: image generation, video generation, and 3D modeling. Let's start with image generation. I'm going to use NanoBrana 2, which is one of the best models available on this platform. First, I'll double-click on the canvas to open the node selector. Find NanoBrana 2 and drop it onto the workspace. It appears right here on the blank canvas. Now to give it a prompt, I need to add a text prompt node. Let me drag that in as well. Next, and this is how the node system works, I need to connect the output of the text prompt node to the input of the NanoBrana 2 node. Just click and drag from one connector to the other. There we go. Both nodes are now linked and active. Before we generate, let's look at the settings. You can choose your resolution. At 512 pixels, it costs 4 credits. At 1K, it costs 8 credits. At 2K, it costs more. And at 4K, it costs 18 credits. The credit cost scales with resolution, which makes sense. For this demo, I'll go with 1K resolution at a 16:9 aspect ratio, a solid balance between quality and credit efficiency. I'll use the default prompt that's already provided just to test things out. Let's hit make image. And it's already working. One thing I'll say, this is genuinely fast. We're talking roughly 20 to 30 seconds for a 1K image. It's already at 90%. And done. Look at that. For a default prompt, this is seriously impressive. The detail, the lighting, the composition, this is premium tier output. Now let me give you a quick tip on which models to use based on your needs. Seedream V5 is the best value for credits. It produces great output at minimal cost, and if you're on a budget and need solid results, this is your go-to. NanoBrana 2 offers higher quality at slightly more credits, best for when you need that extra level of detail. GPT Image 1.5 costs only 7 credits and is fantastic for creative and artistic styles. The minimum cost across most models is just 4 credits at 512 pixels, so you can experiment freely without burning through your balance. You can also do image-to-image generation, feed in an existing image and have the AI edit, transform, or restyle it. This is incredibly useful for iterative design work. Now, let's say you've generated an image and you want to upscale it to a higher resolution. This is where the premium upscalers come in. I'll drag in a Topaz Upscaler node and connect the output of our generated image directly into it. In the settings, you can set the upscale factor 2x or up to 4x. And here's something interesting. Whether you choose 2x or 4x, the credit cost stays the same at 19 credits. So there's absolutely no reason not to go for 4x if you need it. Topaz also gives you several processing modes. Low resolution for quick previews, standard for balanced quality, CGI optimized for rendered or digital art, high fidelity for maximum detail preservation, and texture fine, which is best for photographic content with fine textures. Choose based on what type of image you're working with. Beyond Topaz, you also have the Magnific AI Upscaler, which for those who don't know is a standalone product that costs $39 to $299 per month. Here you get it included. It costs about 18 credits per upscale and offers 3 processing modes to choose from, with additional settings you can customize based on your needs. And finally, there's the Real ESR GAN Enhancer for a more lightweight, fast upscale option. Alright, now let's move to what everyone's really here for: video generation. Let me show you what's available and break down the best options by value. Seedance 1 is the most cost-effective option at just 18 credits for short clips. Seedance 1.5 Pro is the best balance of quality and cost at 31 credits for 5 seconds and 74 credits for 12 seconds. Grok One Imagine gives you great quality at 45 credits for 6 seconds and 90 credits for 15 seconds. Sora 2 costs 96 credits, which is premium but expensive. VO3 costs 120 credits, which is very expensive and burns credits fast. Kling AI 1.6 is very cost effective at only 18 credits. Kling AI 3 costs 134 credits but gives you the best quality from Kling. All Runway models are available, all Minimax models are available, and VO2 and Luma are available as well. My personal recommendation is Seedance 1.5 Pro, which hits the sweet spot. Great output quality, reasonable credit cost, and consistent results. Kling AI 1.6 at just 18 credits is also incredibly effective if you need to conserve credits. I'd personally avoid VO3 at 120 credits because it'll drain your balance in one shot. And models like Grok, Imagine produce comparable results at a fraction of the cost. Some models also offer advanced features. For example, Kling AI has a first frame and last frame option where you can define exactly how your video starts and ends, giving you much more control over the output. You can also add negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements. Let me now actually generate a video. I'll take the image we generated earlier with NanoBrana 2 and use it as the first frame input for Seedance 1.5 Pro. I'll connect the image to the first frame input, and for the prompt, I'll keep it simple. Same prompt as before. This isn't about writing the perfect prompt right now. It's about showing you the workflow. One important tip: in the settings, you'll notice there's an option for 1080p output, and it costs the same number of credits as the lower resolution. So always select the highest quality available when the credit cost is identical. There's no reason to leave quality on the table. Alright, let's hit Run Model. This should take roughly a minute. And it's done. Let me play this back. Look at that. That is genuinely impressive for 31 credits. The motion is smooth, the consistency with the input image is maintained, and the overall quality is really solid. Seedance 1.5 Pro continues to impress me every time I use it. Now for our final demo, 3D model generation. This is a feature you rarely see offered for free anywhere. Let me show you the available options. Magnific 2 offers high quality but uses more credits. Magnific 3D object costs only 3 credits, which is incredibly cost effective. SAM 3D objects is great for converting images to 3D RAW-in. 2 is another solid option. And then you have Hunyuan and Trellis as additional alternatives. I'll start by generating a fresh image specifically designed for 3D conversion. Let me write a prompt. Create a 3D character standing in front with a white background. A clean white background generally works best for 3D model generation since the AI can isolate the subject more easily. I'll use NanoBrana 2 again for the image generation. The image is ready. Now let me connect it to the SAM 3D objects node and attempt to generate a 3D model. Okay, we got an error. Auto segmentation produced no masks. This can happen sometimes when the AI can't properly segment the subject from the background. The fix is usually to adjust the prompt, provide a mask URL, or lower the detection threshold. Let me try running it again with some adjustments. And it's processing now. 3D model generation naturally takes longer than images or even videos. We're looking at a few minutes here. The AI needs to understand the geometry, textures, and depth of the subject from a 2D image, which is computationally intensive. We're at about 50%, 60%, still chugging along, and there it is. The 3D model has been generated. Let me rotate it around and take a look. This is actually really impressive. The geometry is clean, the textures have been applied well, and the overall proportions are accurate. I'm not a 3D modeling expert by any means, but I can tell you this is significantly better than many other free 3D generation tools I've tried. You could realistically use this in game development, animation projects, presentations, or any 3D workflow. And that wraps up our walkthrough of weavy.ai. Now here's the thing, weavy.ai is incredible, but it's not the only free tool like this out there. I have a whole list of similar platforms that offer premium AI capabilities for free, some of which are even better than weavy.ai for specific tasks. I'll be covering those in upcoming videos. So if you don't want to miss out, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm going to keep bringing you tools and techniques that genuinely make your creative workflow easier, faster, and completely free. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.